Congress hasn't been able to pass a health care bill and get it to the president. What are you hearing from small businesses in terms of their view? Do they want health care to be reformed? Do they want Obamacare to be repealed and replaced?
They absolutely want health care reform, and again, it's down to cost. I talk to small business owners, and they all want to provide health care, for their employees. Many of them had good plans in place before Obamacare came into law, what became the law, and they were mandated to change the policy that they had because it wasn't as good as, if you will, the Obama plan. So a lot of small businesses had to do that. It cost them a lot more, and what happened was they stopped covering some of their employees. If they had the opportunity, if they were less than 50 employees, they just stopped covering it. So employees had a pretty good plan, a reasonable plan. Now they had nothing. Other companies have just bitten the bullet, and they're paying the higher cost when they can. Other companies are downsizing, so they don't go over that number 50. So the health care plan as it exists just has really had an incredible, devastating effect on small businesses.
And are you optimistic that some sort of health care reform will get done sooner or later? Will Congress get its act together?
I believe it will. The president really campaigned on health care reform, tax reform, regulatory reform, and he's worked really hard already on regulatory reform. We've seen a lot of those regulations rolled back. Health care, we didn't get the vote we wanted first time around, but he's not letting up. We're going to continue to push for health care reform.